When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Yeah, well, g'day everyone. Back out here, scratching around. Got this target in this kind of rocky sort of stuff with a bit of clay. So got my earphones on rather than a loudspeaker, so got good feelings about this one. So let's dig it up and see what happens. So for a change, I might actually do this one-handed. I'm hoping it's not because of the rain we've had. Hoping the wet clay isn't giving me a false signal, because the 6000 is prone to false signaling on wet clay. So, but I think this is too loud for a false signal. So, alright. Hope you all had a good weekend. Oh, that's quite that's quite loud now. Might change hands. Yeah, hope you had a good weekend wherever you are. My weekend was pretty good. The weather wasn't real great, but it is autumn. It's what you expect. Hope you all had a good Easter weekend too. I know we didn't have great weather either, but so that's a two-handed pick. But I'm trying to film this live, if you know what I mean. Oh man, that's still there. Now, tell you what, I'll give it one more go. If it's still in there, I'll have to use two hands and come back to you. It's becoming one of those heart attack holes. Yeah, so getting into some clay there. Yeah, that's not. Don't know if that's good or bad. Oh man. Alright, I'll turn yours off or I'll have a bit more of a better dig. Oh, yeah, right, so well, that's weird. There's a signal in there. Still a signal in there. I think 3 signals, so not feeling too good about it, but see what happens. Let's see. Not there. Probably a bit of rust, I reckon. It's broken up. Like, I'm not really. Well, that one. an old button. And that stuff around it, I think that's just decomposed bits of felt, leather, or maybe not leather, just material, cotton. So I'd say someone's shirt or something has been buried in this area, and that's the buttons I'm getting. So anyway, I'll dig the rest just to confirm it's not gold. We'll move on. Yep, there we go. That's the second button. So our last target in there, I can confirm that will be another button, but very cool nonetheless. First time I've seen 3 buttons like this in one one hole, but yeah, it's been an old garment. It's been lost, so yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see around the edges there. Yeah. Alright, moving on. Hey, here's something new. I had this rock here, I waved the detector over it, it went nuts. So I flipped it over, thinking it's a bit of gold. And that, it's a button that's just lodged there. Got me hopes up though. So it's a 4th button out of here. But it does tell me that this isn't virgin ground here. This has been filled in on top of, no matter what the landscape tells you. This is a bit of a flat here, but evidently we're not on the untouched ground yet. So, all right, let's go. Hope you guys can see that the wildlife are nesting in that hollow up there, settling in for winter. Things you see. Okay, just snag this tiny little bit, absolutely tiny, probably about half an inch I reckon, maybe an inch, but I was struggling to pick it up for some reason. I'm running at, what am I running at? That, yeah, 2 bars above the lowest one, which is I find to be good for me. Anyway, so that's a tiny bit. Yeah. So, has anyone else used any other coils? Let us know for the 6000. Thinking about maybe getting a nugget finder. Yeah. See what happens. Anyway, wonder if there's any more gold here. Let's go check. Not a bad signal here. Yeah, it's picking up the camera. Anyway, I'll go pinpoint it. There we go. It was gold after all. Hey. I thought I lost it, but it was stuck on in between the two ears of the coil. So, little flaky. Here's another target above it. I'll go dig that one too. Jeez. Cha-ching. That was a signal. There was that other one. I just got that one from there. Only little, but that's fine. It's gold nonetheless. Could be onto a run here. We'll see what happens.